Hello, Sam Denniff, UAV strategist from Coptrz here. Today we're going to run through the Parrot Anafi Thermal drone, which is the latest system to be used by emergency services in the UK for their drone operations. So we have the Parrot Anafi Thermal here, and what we're going to look at today is how it fits in well with quick response use for police and also for fire services in the UK. How it lends itself well to fitting in the category underneath the larger aircraft that police and fire services are currently using. So this is the unit here. You can see it's very easy to fold out and operate. You can deploy it within 20 to 25 seconds, sometimes quicker if you've got some practice. The system can be hand launched as well as deployed from the ground. The hand launching means you can deploy even quicker, but also that you can deploy from areas where you wouldn't normally be able to launch a drone. So in long grass where there's a lot of moisture, even over water or over mud or bogs or anything like that. The system is also completely modular, which means that the propellers, the motors, the legs can all be taken off and replaced with ease without needing to come back to a manufacturer or distributor. And the drone itself all fits within this bag. So that means it can be carried really easily to a remote situation, but also put into smaller vehicles, even attached to officers and carried around sort of on the job as well. So moving on to the sensors. The thermal sensor on the drone is a 160 by 120 thermal sensor. The visual is a 21 megapixel sensor as well. So you've got a very high quality visual and a thermal that's ideal to be used for search and rescue and locating missing vulnerable people. So the use of a drone like this for that kind of operation means that less officers are needed to be used for searching, which obviously saves money and saves time as well. The visual sensor means that the drone can be used to locate vital pieces of evidence. It can also be used to coordinate arrests and coordinate searches, particularly leaning towards arrests because the drone is a lot more quiet and discreet than a lot of other drones on the market, which means it can be used without raising any sort of alarm, and again requires less officers to be used to complete operations. So the system is more secure than a lot of systems on the market due to the fact that it's built and maintained in France. No data goes outside of Europe. So you're confident in the fact that your data isn't being sent anywhere else that it shouldn't be and can only be accessed by you. We're already running trials with some police forces across the UK with great success, and we'll continue to run these across the next few weeks. So please do get in touch if you're interested in having one of these trials. Thank you for your time.